In this lecture, we will cover one of the most important concepts when working with any AI assistant, which is tokens and context windows. Understanding this will help you use Claude Code more efficiently and avoid common frustrations. This may sound technical, but it is very practical. Once you understand tokens, you will know why the system sometimes forgets earlier parts of a conversation, why long sessions slow down, and how to optimize your workflow. Let us start with the basics. A token is the unit of text that language models process. It is not exactly a word, it is closer to a chunk of text or a syllable. For example, a short word may be one token, while a longer word may be split into multiple tokens. A typical sentence may contain between 15 and 25 tokens. As a general rule, one token is roughly 4 characters or about 3/4 of a word. Now let us talk about the context window. The context window is the total amount of text that the system can process at one time. You can think of it as working memory. Everything in your session, including your messages, responses, file content, and project context, must fit within this limit. Modern models support very large context windows, often over 200,000 tokens. That may sound like a lot, but it fills up faster than expected during real development work. Let us understand what consumes context. Your messages use tokens. Responses from the system also use tokens. Code files, configuration files, and project context all contribute to usage. Even tool definitions and integrations consume tokens. In a typical session, working with multiple files and extended conversations can quickly use a significant portion of the available context. You can monitor your usage using the context command. This provides a visual representation of how much of your context window is used. Green indicates available space. Yellow indicates that usage is increasing. Red indicates that you are close to the limit. You can also check token usage using the cost command. This shows how many tokens are used for input and output during the session. Now let us discuss what happens when you reach the limit. When the context window is full, the system begins to discard older parts of the conversation. This is why it may appear to forget earlier details. This is not a fault in the system, it is a natural limitation of how language models operate. However, there are effective ways to manage this. You can compress your conversation using the compact command. This reduces the amount of context while preserving important information. You can clear the session completely when switching to a new task. You can use the sleeved.md file to store important information outside of the conversation, so it does not consume repeated context. You should also be selective about which files you include and avoid loading unnecessary data. Breaking large tasks into smaller sessions is also a very effective approach. Let us look at the compact command in more detail. When you use this command, the system summarizes the conversation and retains key points. You can also specify what information should be preserved. The clear command removes the entire conversation and gives you a fresh start. This is useful when moving to a completely different task. Another useful feature is branching. You can create a branch of your conversation to explore different approaches without affecting your main flow. This works similarly to version control branching. Now let us talk about efficiency in communication. The way you write your prompts affects token usage. Clear and concise instructions use fewer tokens and improve performance. A short and direct instruction is always better than a long and unclear one. Over time, this significantly improves efficiency. Let us summarize the key points. Tokens are the basic units of text processing. The context window represents the total working memory available. You should monitor usage regularly to avoid reaching limits. Use compact and clear commands to manage context effectively. Store persistent information in the sleeved.md file. Keep your instructions concise to improve efficiency. Understanding tokens and context windows is essential for working effectively with Claude Code. It allows you to manage sessions better, avoid confusion, and improve overall productivity. In the next lecture, we will go deeper into the sleeved.md file and learn how to configure it for maximum effectiveness. See you in the next lecture.